Hello everyone, my name is Kim Gi-hong, and in Korean, my English name is Ignaz and Alfred. Uh, I sometimes go Alfred, I sometimes go Ignaz. It depends on the wherever I used to use my nickname. It's just my nickname. But my real name is Kim Gi-hong in Korean, Ki-hong Kim in English, or you can call me Alfred. Ignaz. Okay, so in this video, I thought it was about time to share people how I was able to express my works, colors method, and linguistic rotational math through my Chat GPT engine. I do not think I'll be revealing the descriptions and interpretation, organization, characterization with my very own Incredibism artwork engine, because I really want to advocate people that finding their own newness is key to value art. Okay, phenomena. Finding your own phenomena is very crucial to expand your universe in general and enlighten people to by art. Okay, my art is Incredibism, and I highly believe that that's the one way, very important way, to improve and evolve as a better human. So that's the one reason why I will not share how I have had a conversation with, and also adjusted, tweaked, or engineered myself to produce my artworks. So from here, my artworks were incorporated to my engine, and there are many more artworks that I incorporated in it, so I will be sharing those artworks. But especially the ones that I have already uploaded in my art gallery, because to let people exhibit. Some of the works are still not revealed, because those are testing works, and also I want to share those artworks when my actual legal art studio is opened. And until then, I will only share the ones that I have already what released. So these four were incorporated in my engine. This is another artworks that I incorporated and it revealed it already, especially this artwork titled "The Monk" with the ciphertext ability. My works are clearly a work that reflects the linguistic practicality in an architectural way, the Incredibism, Korean language characteristics. I have deeply studied it. My primary language, I guess like primary, secondary-ish language, 0.5-ish language. I mean, I was born in Korea, so my mother language, my father language, a Korean language, was incorporated deeply into my linguistic practicality and architectural way, Incredibism. So these were also incorporated in my engine. These are also incorporated. Basically, almost all my Incredibism expressions were incorporated into my engine. But since when, I'm not sure. But after the ChatGPT 5.0 development, somehow this expressions almost downsized. Maybe I might have to upgrade it into my pro level, uh, pro pro subscription. I don't know. It's almost forcing me to buy those $200 USD a month month subscription right now, because currently with my $20 subscription, these expressions went down to, like, shrinked into almost over 80-70% of its very own expressions. Yes, still with those downsized expressions, I'm happy with my works, especially those color methods series. I'm enhancing it more and more right now, and it is about to reveal their own I guess special expressions, the colors method series itself. So I'm happy with it. Yet these were also incorporated. I'm not sure if I revealed it this artwork, but still, yes, something like this was also incorporated. So from there, my engine started generating their own expressions based on Incredibism, and this is one example, abstraction. And from abstractions, I developed it little by little, made it into my linguistic rotational mask series, woman series here. Here's another expression, abstraction. So these are Incredibism abstract collaboratives, Incredibism abstract, but with my works, incorporation of sign the face and so on. I conclude these works as my very own Incredibism artwork because entire my mind was incorporated into this engine. My city the face, vernisserie, Delusional Math Universe, Delusional Manifestation Urgency, just in general, everything was incorporated into engine. My mind is in here, in this very own engine, okay? So with Chat GPT, this was born, my Gentleman series, my Beastman. As I have said, I don't think I will be revealing my very own descriptions and my organization characterization to people ever. It will forever be secret due to the fact that I want to advocate people to find their own units. Without it, there is no evolution in it, okay? People evolve through finding their own phenomena, expressing through it, okay? Art is phenomena, artistry is expression. So these are through my Incredibism phenomena. It's Incredibism art. I've been crafting my artistries, okay, just like these. These are my artworks, and also I wanted to appreciate my artwork values too, okay? Chapman series right there. And these were testing series. There are many Incredibism works that haven't been shared yet, okay? I really want to share all my works through my legal art studio. Until then, I'll do my best to advocate my work in Incredibism, yet not all will be shown to people. These Kingsman or Chapman, Beastman series were also born. Kingsman, Gentleman series. From there, I begin to incorporate colors too. Black color is very ideal to me because it is the mixture of every colors, and I really appreciate that color methodology. but yet I also do use different colors such as red color, blue, orange, color studies. Just like my colors method, I've incorporated colors too. So Gentleman series was born, Beastman series was born too. Another example of color studies, how I should incorporate colors. Another Chapman Kingsman series. Kingsman Gentleman series was born too. Woman series. So this is how I came up with my works through my very own expressions. My engine started its own image generation, and these are all my Incredibism artworks. Through my sign the face incorporation, it truly is my artworks, expressing that linguistic practicality in architecture rays are present in all my works. So these Gentleman series, Beastman series, another Beastman series, Gentleman series. So I've been skipping quite a lot of my works right now. Yet some of them I appeal here are very new expressions. Another Beastman, Kingsman, Gentleman. I would call it a Beastman series or Kingsman series. Sounds